Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use the Facebook step by step. Today we will explain how to change your name on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Facebook icon. Then click on three horizontal lines which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then click on settings. Tap on personal information. Click on name. Let's write new first name which you want to add. Scroll down a little bit and change last name. Press on review change. In this icon, please write your first name. Here you can write middle name. Let's write Mohammed. And here you can write last name. After that, press on review change. In this option, you can find how your name will appear on your profile. You can select whatever you want. Let's try this one. Here you can find note that you will not be able to change your name within 60 days. After that, press password here. Then press on save changes. Now name it changed as you want, that's it. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to change your name on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.